ready, boss?
I'm ready. Hey up. Now then, folks, you join us at this little canny rally up at Barnard Castle, which had a lot going on for such a little rally. From the picturesque market town square where the road run took place, from picking up fit chicks that were as strong as an ox on the pull the next day, to the French polisher I met on a job, to electric power cuts where we needed to put Dreadnought on to keep Mark Bolan going, and also our local hero James Barnett, who was the best welder amongst them all, to fix the tractor pulling sledge after it got bust.
Lights under it. Oh, yeah. I like inside, so.
Ah, I'll have to come and have a lighter up at night.
Yeah.
Are you going to make some?
He's on with it. Becky, Liam's partner's going to make some bits for it to go inside, I think.
I'm going to say, if you're a French polisher, kitchen, you'll be able to knock one up, wouldn't you?
Well, I'm a busy man, you see.
So we said.
Oh, we're running after the little one.
You don't put jacket taters in then around?
I will tomorrow.
Look at that. How long's that going to take then?
45 minutes.
And what heat setting have you got it on?
Full blast.
What an absolute bone shaker this is. Promising whoever it is, he's doing a Ben Stockdale now, look. Who's that you fobbing off?
No one you need to know about.
You've learnt from the vest, haven't you, James? Looks like this fella's dipping his tank before the tractor road run, which takes a different route to the steam engine, which is a bit longer. Where you pigged it?
What push?
Go on, open her up, lad. Open her up. Bloody loud. Honk if you're horny. You set them off now. Whistle, Megan.
You don't look impressed.
I've got an ear infection. Fits, Robert.
You got to plug her in, Alan?
Yeah, we'll plug her in.
Andrew's lubing her up. He's really good at lubing her up. What are you lubing up here then, Andrew?
Just fill up main lubricator for cylinder block.
Well, how empty was she?
Nah, not that empty.
Good man keeps on top of his machine.
We like to. Hey, should have done.
Yeah, she was well. One whistle on this.
That one and that one on that side.
I got two. Look what I'm just going down the hill. Oh, this is bad, isn't it? Andrew! Bravo at it! Andrew's midnight special.
I don't think she saw the funny side.
You can about run this Series 2 to a stopping point when it's warmed up. Is it any good, Barney?
Well, we're working with what we've got.
Yep. Where's Ollie Snowball when you need him? So here we have local lad James Barnett tanging a bit more on so they can get another go. So what are you putting here, Barney? Six cylinder?
Cargo engine.
Right.
Then we've got a whole set turbo off New Holland.
Right. Looks like she must be blowing a bit of water.
Yeah. Pressurised water system.
Oh, is it?
That's another problem for another day.
What sort of cases for you? Taking it to proper tractor pulling events then?
Just make it look professional, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Got all set turbo.
Heck. That your filter?
Yeah. Doing a little bit of good.
Yeah.
And at the other side we've got a big injector pump off a combine.
Yeah.
I think it was. Off a New Holland combine. Bigger injectors. And machine pistons. And a copper head gasket. Fire rings and the cylinder head.
Right, oh, she's serious then.
Parted and polished. Valve, inlet and outlet parts.
Right. How much horsepower do you think it is?
It did 300 on dyno.
Did it?
Yeah.
That's all right. Ah, hell, that's a serious fuel pump.
It's as big as what Rob Shepherd's running.
Yeah?
Yeah. He's done a bit more at his than I have.
Yeah. Is this all done right though, this one?
But it's all not working. Don't say it's done right.
So this hasn't been cut and welded. It's all one bonnet. Lad knows how to do it in a one. So if you want to know, you'll have to get in touch with James Barnett.
Steel Fabrications.
James Barnett Steel Fabrications, look, and he's got another one there. Tidy jobs.
Nice and low, keep it like that.
Keep going. All the way.
Turn.
That just fits in, doesn't it?
It's well done it, me old pal.
So again next weekend.
You will though.
Not next weekend.
Hey?
Week after.
Week after?
Let's
see you there.
See you there, me old pal.